Morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are good and safe at your place. So children, as you all know, your exams are going to start soon and hope you all got the syllabus and you all have started preparing for the same. Have you started preparing or not? Hope you all have started preparing. So you know that in internal there will be an internal assessment also, and this time in internal assessment you all have to perform different types of activities in different subjects. So in science, what you have to do, you have to prepare a video. Yes, you have to prepare a video, and in that video what you have to do, you have to tell the different parts of a flower. Yes, you have to present different parts of the flower. For that, what you have to do, you have to take a flower. Yes, you have to take a flower. You can take, I have taken hibiscus flower, so you can take any type of flower. You can take other types of hibiscus also. These are also the hibiscus one. So you can take any type of hibiscus flower and explain that one. If you don't have hibiscus flower, you can take other flowers also. Rose, like you can take rose. So many flowers are there. You can take any type of flower to explain this, to do this, perform this activity. Okay. Now how you will perform this and how you will start with the parts of flower. So first of all, you will start with the main four parts of the flower, that are petals, sepals. These green portion are sepal. Then this is pistil, and these small hairy like structures here is what, this is the stamen, that is the male reproductive part of the flower. So one by one you will explain where is pistil, where is stamen, where are petals, where are sepals. All you will explain in detail, that this part is here, that you can break that also. I have already broken a flower here. Like this you can show, these are petals, these colored parts are petals that are that are present here on the leaves. These is green portion that is present here. These are what, these are sepals. You can explain. Now detailing you will do after this. So first of all you will explain this part. I'll zoom this for you. Like first of all you will explain this portion. So this green stick, this green flexible stick is what, this is known as what, this is where it is present. So first of all just tell me, this is present where, this is present on this, present on the stem, and this portion is known as pedicel. It is known as pedicel, pedicel, pedicel. Okay. And after this, in some flower a bulged part is here, present here. So that bulged part is known as thalamus. It is what, thalamus. Now you know these are what, these security guards, what are they are sepals. They are sepals, and they protect the flower in the bud stage. Flower is like this in the bud stage with small petals. So these coverings, these green coverings protect the flower in the bud stage. After this, it is the green stick that is coming out from here on the center. This part is known as the pistil. This green, this white structure, this colorful structure in the center, this is known as the pistil. And these small hairy like structures on the top, they are what? They are the stamen. Now pistil is the female reproductive part of the flower, and these small hair structures, or many are there. So these are the male reproductive part of the flower. Now after that, in the pistil we know that three main parts are there in the pistil. So we know that there are three main parts in the pistil, that are what? Style, stigma and the ovary. So this long portion, as I'll show you here, this long portion is what, this is whole is pistil, and from here to here it is what, this is the ovary. And inside the ovary, what are there? Inside the ovary, ovules are there. It is not very small, very small egg like structure are present, that are ovules. Okay. Now after this portion, now you can see here on the top, small flowers are there, small hair like structures are there, that are what, that is stigma, and that stick to which it is attached, that are what, that are the style. Okay. So now after this we will explain the male reproductive part. Male reproductive part of the flower is what? This is male reproductive. You cannot see like this because they are very small hair like structure that are present on the top. They are known as the stamen, and stamen has two parts. First one is the filament and other one is the anther. So anther and filaments are two parts of the stamen. So anther, where is anther present? On the top. As you can see, these yellow structures are present here. So these yellow structures are stamen, sorry, anther, and this stick to which these anthers are attached, that is what? That is filament. Okay, so this how this like this you can explain that in your own way also. Like you can take the flower and you can just take out the parts and then explain that this is pedicel, this bulged out part is thalamus, these green structures that you can see here, these are what? These are sepals. Then after that you have to explain their importance also, that sepals are used to protect the flower in the budding stage. Now these are these colorful things, these colorful parts are known as petals. Petal can be of different shapes and different sizes. They can have different fragrance also. So these are petals. Inside the petal a long stick is there, and this stick is known as what? This stick is this is pistil. Okay, now in the pistil then you can explain the stamen and parts of stamen also. So like you can explain each and every part of the flower. So like this you will make a video, and your length of video should be minimum 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, 4 to 5 minutes, not less than that. Because you have to explain each and every part, so video should be long, not that much long, but 4 to 5 minutes. It should be 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so now after explaining the video, you will take a A4 sheet or a drawing sheet, and on that drawing sheet you will draw this flower, means the hibiscus flower or any flower you can draw, and explain or mention it all parts. As you can see, you can label all the parts, make it colorful, and send that to me in the PDF form. So I want both the thing, the PDF one, that is the flower drawn on a sheet, colorful, neat and clean, and the video that will be of minimum 4 to 5 minutes with the all the parts of the flower clearly explained. Okay, so hope you all understood the activity, and you will put your creative mind, creative efforts in that. So keep studying and keep safe at your home. Sai Ram.